Are you tired of eating the same bland foods after your wisdom teeth removal? Do you wish there was a variety of delicious and easy-to-eat options that could help speed up your recovery? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore 19 mouthwatering foods that are perfect for your post-surgery diet, plus a bonus tip to make the healing process even smoother. Grab a notepad, sit back, and get ready to indulge in the tastiest recovery plan you've ever experienced. 1. The power of smoothies. Smoothies are not only delicious and refreshing, but they are also a perfect way to pack nutrients into your post-wisdom teeth removal diet. By blending fruits, vegetables, and a variety of other ingredients, you can create endless smoothie combinations that are gentle on your sensitive gums. Did you know that pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that can help reduce inflammation? Add some pineapple to your smoothie, and you'll not only enjoy a tropical treat, but also speed up your healing process. 2. The comfort of mashed potatoes. Who doesn't love the warm, creamy comfort of mashed potatoes? They're not only easy to eat, but they can also be customized with your favorite flavors. Add some grated cheese or mix in some cooked vegetables for a delicious and nutritious twist on this classic dish. Remember that time you had the flu, and all you wanted was a bowl of mashed potatoes? Now imagine that same comfort after your wisdom teeth removal. 3. The versatility of soups. Soups are the ultimate post-surgery food. They're warm, soothing, and can be made with a variety of ingredients to suit your taste buds. From creamy tomato soup to comforting chicken noodle, there's a soup out there for everyone. Plus, soups are packed with vitamins and minerals to help you heal faster. So, grab a spoon and slurp away. 4. The sweetness of applesauce. Applesauce is a sweet, smooth treat that is perfect for your post-surgery diet. Not only is it easy to eat, but applesauce is also rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support healing. Did you know that apples contain quercetin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound? By enjoying a bowl of applesauce, you're not only satisfying your sweet tooth, but also helping your body recover more quickly. 5. The creaminess of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only a delicious, creamy snack, but it's also packed with protein and probiotics that can aid in your recovery. The protein in Greek yogurt helps to repair damaged tissue, while the probiotics support a healthy gut and immune system. Plus, Greek yogurt is versatile and can be enjoyed plain or mixed with your favorite fruits or honey for added flavor. 6. The softness of scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are a soft, easy-to-eat option that provides your body with essential nutrients like protein and vitamins A, D, and B12. These nutrients are vital for tissue repair and overall health. Plus, scrambled eggs can be customized with your favorite ingredients, such as cheese or cooked vegetables, for a delicious and satisfying meal. 7. The delicacy of fish, like salmon and flounder, is not only tender and easy to eat, but also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Enjoy a simple baked or steamed fish dish with your favorite seasonings for a light, nutritious meal that will have you feeling better in no time. 8. The magic of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a soft, warm, and comforting food that is perfect for your post-wisdom teeth removal diet. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, oatmeal can help keep you full and nourished while you recover. Plus, you can customize your oatmeal with your favorite toppings, like berries, cinnamon, or even a drizzle of honey, for a delicious and satisfying breakfast or snack. 9. The convenience of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a soft, creamy option that is packed with protein, calcium, and essential vitamins. It's easy to eat and can be enjoyed on its own or mixed with your favorite fruits or seasonings for added flavor. The high protein content in cottage cheese can support tissue repair and promote a faster recovery. 10. The deliciousness of pudding. Pudding is a sweet, smooth treat that is perfect for those who crave something indulgent after their wisdom teeth removal. Available in a variety of flavors, pudding can satisfy your sweet tooth while being gentle on your sensitive gums. Plus, it's easy to make at home, allowing you to control the ingredients and create a healthier option. 11. The creamy goodness of ice cream. Ice cream is a classic post-surgery treat, and for a good reason. The cold, creamy texture can help soothe your sore gums and provide temporary relief from discomfort. While indulging in ice cream can be a delicious treat, be sure to opt for softer, smoother varieties and avoid any with hard chunks or pieces that could irritate your healing gums. 12. The satisfying taste of avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense, soft food that is perfect for your post-wisdom teeth removal diet. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, avocado can help support your overall health and healing. Enjoy mashed avocado on its own, or mix it with other soft foods like scrambled eggs for a delicious and nutritious meal. 13. The simple pleasure of polenta. Polenta is a soft, comforting dish made from cornmeal that can be easily customized with your favorite seasonings and flavors. Not only is polenta easy to eat, but it's also a good source of complex carbohydrates and essential nutrients that can support your recovery. Enjoy polenta as a simple side dish or add some cooked vegetables for a more filling meal. 14. The soothing quality of herbal tea. Herbal tea is a warm, soothing beverage that can help ease discomfort and promote relaxation after your wisdom teeth removal. Opt for anti-inflammatory teas like chamomile or peppermint to help reduce swelling and soothe your sore gums. Remember to avoid using a straw when drinking your tea, as the suction can disrupt the healing process. 15. The mild flavor of tofu. Tofu is a versatile, soft food that is packed with protein and essential nutrients. Its mild flavor and soft texture make it an excellent option for those recovering from wisdom teeth removal. Enjoy tofu in a simple stir-fry with soft vegetables or blend it into a smoothie for added protein and creaminess. 16. The indulgence of gelatin. Gelatin is a soft, wiggly treat that can satisfy your cravings for something sweet and easy to eat. Gelatin is also a source of collagen, which can support tissue repair and promote faster healing. Opt for sugar-free gelatin options to keep your sugar intake in check while still enjoying a tasty dessert. 17. The elegance of risotto. Risotto is a creamy, comforting rice dish that is perfect for those with sore gums and sensitive mouths. The soft, tender texture of risotto makes it easy to eat, and its versatility allows you to create countless flavor combinations. Enjoy a simple, classic risotto or experiment with your favorite seasonings and soft vegetables for added nutrients. 18. The comfort of mashed cauliflower. Mashed cauliflower is a delicious and nutritious alternative to traditional mashed potatoes. With a similar texture and a subtle, mild flavor, mashed cauliflower is perfect for those recovering from wisdom teeth removal. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this soft, comforting dish can support your overall health and healing. 19. The nourishment of bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense, easily digestible liquid that can be sipped on its own or used as a base for soups and stews. Packed with collagen, amino acids, and essential minerals, bone broth can support your body's healing process and provide a comforting, warm beverage to enjoy while you recover. 20. The power of green smoothies. As a bonus, green smoothies are a fantastic way to incorporate fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-dense ingredients into your post-wisdom teeth removal diet. By blending soft fruits, leafy greens, and a liquid base, you can create a smooth, easy-to-consume beverage packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Remember to avoid using a straw when drinking your smoothie, as the suction can disrupt the healing process. Potential drawbacks. While the foods listed above are generally suitable for those recovering from wisdom teeth removal, it's essential to pay attention to your body's needs and limitations during the healing process. Certain foods may be more challenging for some individuals to consume, depending on their level of discomfort and swelling. Always consult with your dentist or oral surgeon for personalized advice and recommendations based on your specific situation. In conclusion, there are many delicious and nutritious foods you can enjoy after your wisdom teeth removal. From the soothing warmth of soup to the comforting creaminess of mashed cauliflower, these 19 options, plus our bonus green smoothie, will keep you nourished and satisfied as you recover. Remember to always follow your healthcare professional's advice and listen to your body during the healing process. We'd love to hear about your favorite post-wisdom teeth removal foods, so be sure to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Wishing you a speedy recovery, and we'll see you in the next video.